Having a single blockage in the combustion furnace can affect its functionality. Therefore, it is important to perform regular maintenance with the help of professionals. To remove any kind of issue with it, first, they inspect the machine thoroughly. Then they clean the blower and remove the debris. Thinking about where to look for a specialized team? Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Limited. All their experts are trained and well equipped to perform any kind of combustion service. For details about services, visit o'brienenergy.com.au. Or just make a call at 1300771759 and have your solution. And get ready to keep your combustion running confidently.